can't tell me what to do.
I always have. Why couldn't you change now?
I don't want you to change. I want you to always be you.
It's all we know.
Do not let Merlin die because of something I did.
Why do you care so much? The boy's just a servant.
He knew the danger he was putting himself in. He knew what would happen if he drank from that goblet, but he did it anyway. He saved my life.
It's all we know. All we know. Looking, falling slow, falling slow.
Face it, Merlin, you're living a lie. Just like you were here. You're Arthur's servant, nothing more.
Watch it go. We stay the same.
He's here for you.
I'm just his servant.
Give him more credit than that. He likes you.
That's because he doesn't know you. If he did, I'd probably be dead by now.
You don't really believe that, do you?
Watch it go. Watch it go. We stay the same. And I don't know how it can change.
Please, just let me take his place.
I don't know how it can change.